Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can create the very professional video using the Capcut and not having the much equipment. So in today's video, we are going to use the Capcut and I'm going to tell you how you can blur the video background, you can add the studio lighting and change the skin appearance and the more editing just with the small tips. So stay up to the last of this video, you will get to know more about this video professional editing. Hello friend, welcome back to Pankaj's YouTube channel. In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can create the very professional video using the Capcut and not having the much equipment. So in today's video, we are going to use the Capcut and I'm going to tell you how you can blur the video background, you can add the studio lighting and change the skin appearance and the more editing just with the small tips. So stay up to the last of this video, you will get to know more about this video professional editing.
So I will open the Capcut application and I will import my video here in the import section. Once you imported the video here, you are going to drag and drop in the timeline section. Now what we are going to do, once I import it, I will play a little bit.
In today's video, I'm going to tell you how you can create a very professional video.
So after this, once you imported a video here, we are going to improve some audio and remove the background noise. So what you are going to do, you go to the video basic, and here you are going to reduce image noise. We are going to click on the you can see be strong. So reduce image noise, and then once you go to the audio, here at the audio level, enhance voice, you can change the percentage like 50-70%. And after this, there is one more thing. Reduce noise. So you are going to click in this. It may take some time like for your application. And after this, once it's done, we are going to come in the video and go to the retouch. And here for the face or body, whatever you want to change. Let's say for body, I want to change. Select body, and you can do like arm you want to change, neck you want to change, something like this. But for timing, let me make some changes for face and retouch, and you will see how the changes are being. So if you do even and then smooth, make it smooth, smile lines, you can play around with this settings and bright eye, whitening if you want to bring more whitening here, white teeth, so it will white your teeth. These are the like changes we are going to do that. After that, you come here at adjustment and curve, and you just do like this. You see how the changes, it's like we have improved the video what it was earlier. Do like this here, and now play it a little bit.
But not having the much. So in today's video, we are using the Capcut and I'm going to tell you how you can blur the video background.
So we have like reduce the noise and improve the video quality by doing some little changes. Now what we are going to do, we are going to copy this video, copy and paste in the here, the same timeline. After that, what we are going to do, we are just going to mute this second video, and this video you come here and increase something, go to the video and basic and increase this percentage so we can hide the background one. So I did this, let's say 106%. Now after this, I'm going to come in this first video, and here what we are going to do, relight, click on the relight, and here actually this is how you can do the studio background changes, studio setting. Let's say for this I am selecting this color, so you see that it has too light, so sometimes it may take time also. So light, this is my light one, which is my this color. I can go and change this color. So I will make this color, let's say this purple color, and bring the intensity more and radius little bit. In this video, before this, let's come here, and what I'm going to do, you are not able to see the changes, I will tell you why. So in this video, once you come here, you go here and remove the background. So this video is background is removed, and the what color you're looking, that is from the this video, previous video. So in this video, what I was telling, the coloring. So here we selected this color. You see these two color, and after that, and you can, if you select this color, it will look like this. But for time being, let me select with these two colors so I can tell you how you can make the changes. So I'm selecting the left side color is this here. Let me, this is the first light. This is the our first light with this color. You see the purple color. Bring the more intensity. The radius is like, I will just make this left side of this video change and highlight like this. Now what you are going to do, let's click on the light 2. This is my light 2 you see here. In this light I want to keep this let's say this is sky color, and bring the more intensity, radius little less. Yeah, so you see this my I changed the background of this video, and it is looking like a studio background with the two color. One is the purple color, another one is the sky color. So after this changes, what we are going to do here, yeah, so when you are making the changes, make sure you select the background for the first video. And the next video we are going to do the same thing. We are going to click in the relight, and here we are going to select the facial. Since in this video we are going to just make the change in the body, so it will bring the more light in your body. Let's say if I select this, you see the color is changed. Now what we can do, if you want to add more light, so this is our first light. So I want to add some green color this side. So you can go and select the green color. This is my green color. Click here. You see my face will radius make little less, so it just show it to the face only. And if you want to add more light in your face, let's say this time I'm going to add some orange color. We can add this color, yeah, and I want to add from this side. Keep the radius low, distance this much. So this is how we added we changed the background in the video. Also we changed the light, so focus light. So first light, this is our green color, so I will bring the less radius. Yeah, so it is looking like we are sitting in the studio and we have the multiple lighting on focus light, all those things. So once you do these changes, what we are going to do after this, you come to this video and we are going to add the blur background. So you come to the effects, then you come to the lens. Here you will have the blur, so you can add in the first video entire blur. So I will select this. Yes. So once I add it, you see my background is completely blur, so you can change it little bit like this. Now what we are going to do, you are going to the adjustment and bring this custom adjust. So in this custom adjustment, once you select it, what you are going to do, you can increase the temperature or tint or saturation like this, contrast, shadow. So these small changes you can play around with this and make some changes in this. You see how it is being changed, so you can do according to this. So this is how we had made the changes. Now let me play this.
In today's video, I'm going to show you a very professional video using the Capcut and not having the much equipment. So in today's video, we are going to use the Capcut, and I'm going to tell you how you can blur the video background and add the studio.
So this is my like modified video, which in this video what we did, we added the video background and we did blur, and we added the studio lighting, and we changed the skin lightning also. This is how you can just change couple of things and make it more cinematic view. So this is the very small changing in the CapCut. You don't need to have like a professional video editing expertise. This is how you can make changes in your video. I hope you have liked my video. Please like and subscribe to my channel and stay tuned for the next video. Thank you.